How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today is kind of a sour day. After having this car for 2 years, after having the other Mclaren and this one came in, I replaced it. I'm gonna have to let it go today. So we had an opportunity to expose the car. I had a dealer that offered me a good amount of money. I'm gonna tag them down below. So if you want to follow the car or follow that dealer, they're really good, they're local. So we support local business as we get the support from the local community. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna have a video posting what I had before in the car: suspension, rim, tires. The new one is coming and we're gonna impress you guys sometime. Yeah, right now I'm just getting a haircut, so when my guy's done, I'll call you so you can come over here.
What are you doing?
Checking the cameras, making sure you guys are doing what you're supposed to do. Giving away in a few minutes, so thank you so much always. Appreciate it. Hey you guys, so fresh haircut, brand new merchandise. We got a nice club right now. We're gonna be going to the house. We're gonna go pick up a brand new 2021 Rolls Royce Cooling. When I say brand new, it means brand new to us as a business. It's a used car, it's good. We're gonna do brand new tires. We're gonna take it to the facility that we use to be able to do complete checkup, like a one-on-one checkup, make sure everything is nice, paint is fresh. And if it's not fresh, we're gonna do paint correction, ceramic coat, and if anything has to be painted, we're gonna make sure everything is on point. So we're gonna please this customer, and we wanna make sure that he's happy about that. So appreciate that, thank you. If you like our hoodies and you want to support the channel and you want to see us grow, please, we're going to have a link below so that way you can go into it and buy some merchandise. We have hoodies, we have long sleeve, we have shorts, we have hats. We're going to have a bunch of stuff listed down for you guys so you can see and enjoy and share the passion we have for cars. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for staying tuned. So here we're going to give you something nice. It's a brand new 2022 Mercedes Benz 580. Hope you guys enjoy. So we did everything. We lowered the car. We did paint on the calipers. We did Forgiato rims, Pirelli tires, ceramic tinting. Beautiful shots that we have for you guys. So stay tuned. Enjoy to the last. We appreciate the support. Thank you very much. This is what we're gonna do. Because we have merchandise and we want to make sure that we give you guys back something so you can enjoy it, we want you to go to our last post in Instagram that we're gonna tag it down below and do 3 different comments on the last post that we're gonna do about what you like the most on this video. So 3 means we're gonna give you a hoodie, a shirt, and a hat. So we're gonna give you 3 different items for 3 different comments. So please make sure you go and you make a comment. Guys, thank you so much. Please make sure you follow, comment, and share. That helps to grow the channel and that lets us know that we're doing a good job. Appreciate the support.